Hi, with math is easy with Ala with another question. How can we find the derivative of xe to the power y minus 3y sine x equal 1? What we will do here, let's start. Now, we have x ey is 2e to the power y. This is two functions, so we will use the product rule. This is the first function, and this is the second function. So the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of e to the power y is y prime e to the power y. So what we will do here, we will multiply the derivative of the first function by the second function, so it will be e to the power y plus the derivative of the second function multiplied by the first function, so it will be x times e to the power y prime minus, we will open brackets because we have minus. So we have also here two functions. First function is 3y, second function is sine x. So the derivative of the first one is 3y prime, and the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So we'll multiply the derivative of first one by second one, so it will be 3 sine xy prime plus the derivative of the second one times the first one, so it will be 3y cosine x, close the brackets, and the derivative of the constant one is 0. Now it will be e to the power y plus x e to the power y prime minus minus what? 3 sine x y prime minus 3y cosine x equal 0. Okay, now we have these two terms have y prime. So we will keep it in the left side. In the left side, so xe to the power y prime minus 3 sine xy prime, and we will remove this one and this one to the right side, so it will be 3y cosine x minus e to the power 1. Now take y prime as a common factor, so it will be open brackets x e to the power y minus 3 sine x, close the brackets, and put y prime outside, equal 3y cosine x minus e to the power y cosine x. Now divide both sides by x e to the power y minus 3 sine x, so it will be y prime equal 3y cosine x minus e to the power y over x times e to the power y minus 3 sine x. Thank you. See you in another example. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel.